Hi folks, this is Mary. I wanted to show you a Catalina SBX. This is a rear living. So this is the kind of unit you could pull up to your camp spot or back into your camp spot, and you've got this great window right here. So you've got a view. So come on inside. So you have your living right here with these windows right here that would, be a great view. Then you've got your little dinette here, which actually would seat quite a few people. This does fold out into a bed, so you've got extra seating and extra sleeping there. You've got a nice countertop, double sink here, your microwave, a 3-burner stove top, and your oven down below, and lots of storage under here too. Really nice. They do a good job with Catalinas. I like that they have these little lights that go on and off. So if you just want to be in the kitchen right here and you just want one light on you, or if you just want to be over here reading a book, you don't have to use your battery lights. You can just click on one light. And then we've got our bathroom in the middle here, and then I'll let you go ahead and go inside. So you've got your shower door, which is really nice, and then your bathroom is kind of 2 parts on this, and then you move into the master bedroom, which actually has a door that slides shut. And then you've got storage underneath the bed as well, and also you've got your wardrobe and your nightstands on the sides of here. Perfect for an adventure. So if you have any more questions about this Catalina or anything else that we have here at Guaranty, please call me 406-850-4590. Thanks so much.